Hello and welcome to my channel Anupama Mata, where I put a lot of stuff on law of attraction and manifestation. Before we proceed with the video, I would like to request you guys to please go and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a newly uploaded video. Thank you. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use water to manifest. Religion and science both have proved that water has immense memory, and we will use that power of water today to manifest. All we have to do is take a glass of water, drinkable water, hold it in between your hands and close your eyes and say few affirmations in the area in which you want to manifest. So for example, I am taking here money. So I'm going to close my eyes. I'm going to bring myself in some good energies, some positive energies, and then say my affirmations. I am a money magnet. Money comes to me easily. Universe always gives me money whenever I need and whenever I want. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I open my eyes and I drink this water. So what we did here, we energized the water. We energized the water, and water has memory, so it absorbed the energies, and when I drank that water, that energized water, those energies became a part of me. Water has memory. This has been proved scientifically. If you guys have been following my channel, you must have seen a video on rice experiment. In the rice experiment by Dr. Masaru Emoto, it was proved that water has memory. Our words have energy. Energy gets transferred, and when we say any positive or constructive statement with a good feeling, the frequency of our vibration is higher. So we have utilized all these scientific facts, and I'm hoping that it will help you to manifest whatever you want in your life. Create some magic, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe. Good luck.